I love the sticks because for all drive-byers, I feel obligated in the mornings. And this is a great shot. See the gun there? To that. And then up to whatever you want to see there. You see, everything around us could be turned into power. Yes, I have coughs. So turn off your fear for me or your negatives that go through your mind. Got it? Okay. Happy 23!